birds.
Fight,
Fight, fight.
How do they know when to come to take a shower?
Fight, birds. This is weird. The birds are like right in front of us taking a shower. Looks that's 3 different species of birds. Oh whoa, look. Oh dude, they're... Go fight. Aww. That guy's hogging it up.
That was like scared.
Oh no, nope. You can do it. Oh, he's just trying to drink. Oh, he's going in.
Seems like they always alert. Oh, they want to take a shower too.
Oh, he did want to take a shower, I know.
It seems like they always alert, you know what I mean? Keep on checking out the wrong surroundings. They're so scared. They can't relax, no?
Alright, I'll let him do his thing.